No, we're gonna go up, and then someone's down there, and we're gonna meet in the middle. Kind of like a tactic that we do. Yeah, yeah. You starting from up there, and you start from up here, and we're gonna be in the middle. We're in the nosebleed home run section. Finally, not everybody comes back here. You know what I mean? Here we are. About to start at the very top. And feast your eyes, everybody. Thank you for clicking in the Up of Love at the Red Stadium. I don't know what it's called. I forgot. But here we are. We're gonna work our way down from here for $35 a night. They cheated me an hour. The managers don't even know. My Mexican people don't even know how baseball goes. They don't know the game. Hallelujah. Giving y'all a little sight. The MGM Grand Time. Hello. Woo! A what?
A diaper down in the corner. I swear it's got shit and tissue.
Oh,
I'm not
man.
picking that shit up.
An adult one or a baby one? Okay, a baby one. All right, that's not bad. I'll get that. If it was an adult one, that'd be crazy. Hallelujah. Yeah. Woo.